you got, Fluffy? What is that? That chicken? Snowball? You don't want no chicken? Look at Fluffy got that chicken. Look at him. Oh. Look at Daryl getting that chicken too. No. You don't want none, Snowball? Oh. Look how exciting chicken is. You can play with it. You can eat it. Snowball having a good, Fluffy having a good old time. Look at that. Oh, he got red eyes. Oh, devil cat. Devil cat. Oh, let me turn that off on you. I'm sorry. Oh, you got blue eyes. Look at that chicken. What you got, chicken? Hey, he making noises. You hear it? Oh, Daryl, he's growling. He said, ooh. Look at this. Come over here, D. Look, it's devil cat. Look at his eyes. Oh. Why you growling? Oh, okay. It's your chicken. It's your, okay, that's the end of the video, y'all. We gonna have to find a way to remove this chicken or save our lives. I don't know what's gonna happen. They're gonna transform into some kind of tiger, lion. Oh my.